howdy, hi. So you want to mount you a motor on your little bitty motorized creation. Take a look at this mini bike here. Now this one's going to go under that VW Fender that I'm building. Of course, this will work the same if you're going to do a motorized bike, you're going to do you a trike, or you're building you that cool little board track replica, okay? So in order to figure out where to put the motor mount, you got to get your rear wheel mounted, okay? Because everything is going to go off of that rear sprocket. Now I built my frame using this jig, and I use this jig to keep everything square, because if you don't have a square bike, you're not going to get that engine mounted right, are you? So I got the center line of the bike, okay? We know where that is. We're putting the rear wheel on. Let's turn this sucker around. So now we got to figure where we're going to put this doggone engine at. So what I did is I used a straight edge. Put it right up against the sprocket. Nice flat edge on it there. That worked to my advantage. I then scribed me a line there where my fat finger's pointing. Adjusted a little bit for the center of the sprocket, and that established my center line. Yep, and I got the slots cut there. I did that after the fact. So let me show you what I did here. I measured the bottom of my engine where the mounting holes are. 2 7/16 inch apart, 7 3/16 inch apart here. So here's my chicken scratching that I did to figure everything out. Yep, there's the front. Use that to make my 4 mounting points there, okay? So then I laid the engine down on it. See that flat face there? Yeah, we're going to use that to do some measuring. Yeah, that flat face right there. That's going to help me. So what I did is I got my inside calipers. Cool doggone tool, I tell you, buddy. So what I did, I put that on that machine face, and then I lined it up with the center line of that sprocket, and that's going to give me a place where I can do some marking. So I grabbed the anvil off of my little square. You didn't know that thing was called an anvil, did you? So I used my inside calipers with the measurement I had on it, put it on the front corner there of that anvil, and I made me a line. So I did that at the front of the engine, I did it at the back of the engine, drew my line, and there you go. We got the chain line, 2 5/16 inch apart from the lines that I use for the motor. Now all I got to do is go back to that mounting plate where I scribed that line, and then I can set up my holes. Now, we want slots in this thing so we can move the motor front and back. In order to make a slot, it's easy. Don't sweat. You're going to drill your hole where it starts, you're going to drill your hole where it stops, and you're going to drill you however many holes you need in between. We're doing a 7/8 inch slot. So then I took my jigsaw, cut out the garbage, got out my flat file, filed it down. We're ready to slop the engine on this thing. Let's put the engine down. We're going to slide the engine all the way back. Let's get the chain on this doggone bad boy. See, look, everything lines up just right. And there you go. Everything looks fine, doesn't it? No rub, no muss, no fuss. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you like my stuff and you think I'm helping you out, give me a thumbs up. Hey, there's a subscribe button down there somewhere. Thank you for watching.